Namaskar, Suprabhat, good morning everybody. I welcome you all to this opening ceremony of NCCIA first virtual exhibition. We begin our program with Indian traditional culture by performing puja and lamp lighting. We invite God, Ganesha, in the beginning of every activity. Mata Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, and Mata Saraswati, goddess of wisdom, and seek their blessings for the success and prosperity of the program. I call upon Sri Sham Sundar Patil Sahib. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखं भवेत्। ओम शांति 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 is a prayer for the well-being of the entire creation of God, all humanity irrespective of religion, caste or creed, all the happy, healthy. Let us see, experience, auspicious. Let no one be suppressed by grief. Home, peace, peace and peace. Thank you all. Now we will perform lamp lighting. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya means lead me from darkness to light, lead me to the enlightenment from ignorance created by my action, thought and understanding. Since nearly last 1 year, we all are going through unexpected and sudden blow of COVID-19 pandemic. It has changed and affected life of all over the globe. We NCCI is not exception to this situation. During this period, NCCI has organized series of webinars on various subjects beneficial to our members and public at large. NCCI first virtual exhibition is extension of it. Because of pandemic situation, we have this simple opening ceremony with limited people, but you all are with us online. NCCI, Neva Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture, is a Section 8 company, non-profit company registered with Company Secretary Department, Government of India, with motive to promote commerce, industries and agriculture in society with charitable objectives. NCCI focus is on development, from protection and growth of entrepreneurs in the society. Our vision is to accelerate the progress of all sections for growth through cooperation, integration by mutual efforts, knowledge-based skills and modern technology, identifying emerging business and collaborations opportunities in India and abroad. NCCI operates through various chapters at different geographical locations and specific as agriculture, healthcare and women. It is easy to stand with the crowd. It takes courage to stand alone. We HCCI provide courage to our members. This exhibition is to facilitate our members to bring their products and services to all our customers in India and abroad. I earnestly request our respectable visitors to make it convenient to visit our HCCI virtual exhibition anytime, from anywhere, as many times as you wish during 29, 30 and 31st January 2021 round the clock. Only thing you need to do is to register online for this exhibition. After registration, you will get password which you will use to access exhibition every time you want. No business can take place unless there is supplier, there is customer. We come up with 51 exhibitors, suppliers with their products and services in our HCCI exhibition, and are very much eager to welcome our valuable customers to have business in mutual interest. In Marathi, we say Grahak Devo Bhava, meaning customer is God. And we say Grahak Raja, meaning customer is king. It is very well said by Mahatma Gandhi. Customer is most important visitor on our premises. He is not dependent on us, we are dependent on him. He is not an interruption in our work, he is the purpose of it. He is not an outsider in our business, he is part of it. We are not doing a favor by serving him, he is doing us a favor by giving us an opportunity to do so. I request the favor of our esteemed visitors to visit our HCCI exhibition, giving us an opportunity to serve you. Thank you. Now I request Sri Mahesh Chirmade to give introduction of Sri Shyam Sundar Patil Sahib.
I would like to have an honor to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Shyam Sundar Patil. He is an IAS, Indian Administrative Services, and currently he is managing director of Mananda Dairy, which is like Amul of Gujarat state. It is an apex federation of milk producers of Maharashtra. Thank you.
I request our chief guest to open this virtual exhibition and guide us on this opinion.
Honorable Ravindra Chaudhary, LCCIA founder member, Nilkant Chaudhary, Shri D.N. Narkade, Shri Pawan Bhore, Shri Pankaj Attarde, Mahesh Chirmade, Minal Kodhe, Srimati Namrata Bhore, Alpana Kodhe, and all the exhibitors for this exhibition and the customers who will be visiting this exhibition. I am honored by LCCIA for giving me this opportunity to interact with you and to be present at such a historical international event of first exhibition of this sort. During this exhibition, various products and services will be exhibited virtually. This is first virtual exhibition of this sort, and I really appreciate LCCIA is providing platform for exhibitors, industrialists from various sectors to exhibit their services.
I declare the first ever virtual exhibition organized by LCCIA open.
Now I invite our LCCI Women Chapter Chairperson, Namrata Bhore, to say something on the occasion.
According to me, all women are superwomen. Today I insist all women in our society to come ahead and join this expo. LCCI arranged this expo to reach out at every corner of our country, ultimately to the world. So girls, grab this opportunity and be a business icon in your country. Thank you.
I request you can further say two words on the occasion.
Hello everybody. I thank LCCI to give the opportunity to say two words about the first virtual business exhibition organized by Lehigh Chamber of Commerce and Industries and Agriculture. It's the first ever effort and we have seen good response from the exhibitors as well as visitors. There are more than 51 exhibitors and quite a few numbers of visitors are already enrolled and lot of people are ongoing. We expect there will be good interaction amongst the buyers and sellers. Exhibitors will be displaying their products virtually and visitors will be benefited by seeing that, and I hope there will be good interaction between the community to buy the products and sell the products. I really wish the exhibition all the best success. Thank you very much.
आपण समाजामध्ये हा पहिला एक्सपो प्लॅन केलेला आहे. याच्या मागचा मेन उद्देश आहे की आपण सगळ्यांनी कनेक्ट होऊन आणि प्रत्येकाला सक्सेस हा हवाच असतो, पण त्यामध्ये सुरुवात करायला कुठेतरी पहिली स्टेप आपण घेतो आहे LCCI मार्फत आणि आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या सपोर्टने. सो थँक्यू.
Hello everyone, welcome to first virtual Biz Expo 2021 by LCCI. We thank you very much Mr. Shyam Sundar Patil for inaugurating this expo. Also thanks to our exhibitors. There are 51 plus exhibitors are participating. We also thank you them. Also we thank visitors for their visits to our stalls. Now you can start and visit our stalls.